Greetings. Hey, this is Mark coming to you from Baker's Green Acres. And today's Saturday. It's Saturday in the afternoon. And I'm going to pick this as a backdrop because this is what I was involved with today. And I had my helpers with me. And it's been kind of a different sort of day. Probably because it's Saturday, I guess. Anyway, I've got some information to pass along. And this is about the Anyone Can Farm Homesteaders Guild. All right. Now, I had told you that we were going to change the Baker's Green Acres page to Anyone Can Farm Homesteaders Guild because there's 10,000 people that follow the Baker's Green Acres page. YouTube wasn't on board with that. And I got together with Zuckerberg on it, and we decided we're going to keep it the Baker's Green Acres page. So forget that. It's just going to be Baker's Green Acres, and then there's like there is now, there's a tab there that's the Anyone Can Farm, and that's the educational aspect or the educational wing of this of the farm. Okay, so we're going to keep it that way. All right. Homesteaders Guild is a program to where you can sign up. It's 12 weeks, $300. I put a video out on Thursday of the subject that we want to delve into. There are 4 different seasons, so there's going to be 4 different 12-week programs. And, it's going to be spring, fall, summer, winter. So we're going to do the winter one here coming up on the 17th. So it's coming up here in a few days. So that video comes out. It's going to have a subject that we're going to talk about. It's a short video. You have a few days to think about it, maybe get the parts together that you need. And then on Tuesday, we have a support call at 7 o'clock in the evening. All right, and that's where you get a Zoom number, a Zoom call number that comes up on the Homesteaders Guild Facebook page, which if you've paid for it, you get to go on that page. You get invited to that page, right? So you'll be waiting there. The Zoom call thing comes up. You punch on it, and then all of a sudden, all of our faces are on this computer screen, and it's like a classroom. And before you know it, you'd swear you're in a classroom. And it's really nice because you can be outside 10 minutes before, and you're in, get a cup of coffee, and then you're in class. You don't have to change, you don't have to shower, you don't have to drive, you don't have to do any of that stuff. So it's really good. And I never thought that it would be something that I would do, but I actually like it quite a bit. And I'm looking forward to it. Our Tuesday night calls were probably the highlight of the class for me. But the class isn't for me. It's for the people that want to get on the fast track to homesteading, right? So we've been analyzing this, and it seemed like the support call was the secret sauce, for sure. Low battery. That's because it's cold out. So why was it the secret sauce? It's because there was discussion, right? So here's what we're going to do. It's winter. This is the time for planning. This is the time for discussion. So now what we're going to do on Wednesday nights, we're going to do what is called a YouTube live chat. And that's where I sit down in front of the computer, and then I have a list of the questions that have come across my desk for a while, and I can just start to knock them down one at a time. And I'm not the be-all and the end-all, but I know how some of this stuff works pretty well. And a lot of them, people are just starting out, so they're pretty rudimentary questions. Some of them are more, some of them are a lot more, but you can go and sit in on this for free and be involved in the discussion. And I think it'll be about an hour. It's going to be Wednesday night, 7 p.m. Eastern, because that's where we are. We're in Michigan. 7 p.m. Okay, and we'll go an hour, and we'll see how that goes. But I've been watching other outfits that do this, not necessarily homesteaders, but other people that put out information and have discovered things on their own. And during the discussion process, there is a lot of discovery, and that's really what I'm after, is more discovery. So, how do you find that? Okay, I have a team, and one of my team members is putting out a meme. I think this is going to quit. It's too cold. Too darn cold. Got to come in the house. He's going to put together a meme that'll be on the Mark Baker Facebook page. All right. Now we're just finding our way through this. So here's what I need. If you want to come to this, then come. If you don't want to come to it, help me out with this Facebook thing. I'm going to come in the house now. And like it and share it with people that you think might want to come. And that upsets the whole algorithm thing, and it gives us a little bit of an advantage when it comes to doing this. Otherwise, you know, it's got to be done organically, and that doesn't work quite as well. Here's another thing. On the Anyone Can Farm Homesteaders Guild, we had 25 people that clicked all the way through, and they got to the point where they would register and something went wrong, and we don't know what's wrong, all right? But if you were one of them, either try it again or call the house. Now, the number is 231-825-0293. Now, this is not a huge community of people, you know. We are across the United States, and we do have friends in other countries, but we're not that huge. So just call the farmhouse and talk to somebody, and they'll walk you through the process of getting registered. And but if you don't want to do that, try it again through the internet deal. Another thing that is coming, we did the fall class, and it was really good. Now, all of those videos and all the little helper videos in between and all the information is all going to be rendered down into a package. Now, you won't get the special sauce of coming to the support call on Tuesday nights, but you can watch what we did. And that's all going to be available for a set price. And I think that's going to be $99. That's my feeling on that. It hasn't been posted on the Baker's Green Acres page yet, but it's coming. It is coming. So, help us out with this, share this information, and remember, anyone can farm.